Hi, dragon fruit parents. Do you wonder why your branches are turning yellow? Why it's caused by and what to do about it? Well, I'm Carolyn with Blue Dragon Fruit Nursery, and I've been growing dragon fruits for over 8 years and way over 250 of them. So if you think other dragon fruit parents would love to know about dragon fruit's sunburns, make sure you share this with them. So I was looking at when I was a beginner, so I had a branch that turned totally yellow, and I was like, what is going on? I had no idea, and there was a leaf on top of it, and so I took it off, and when I took it off, I'm like, oh, it's green. Why? Sunburn. So that was a surprise, but yeah, okay, so I kind of learned more about sunburns over the years, just because I've seen all those dragon fruit growing and when and how. So why do they turn yellow? First, you have a lot of different causes, but today I want to talk about sunburns. And what will happen is, let's say you have a cutting that doesn't have enough root system and you're putting it directly in the sun. Poor thing is going to burn, so let's not do that. Same thing if you have a young plant and you put it directly in the sun, it's going to burn. So basically what you want to do is slowly get it in the sun, and so then it's going to have a chance of getting used to it. What you have also is, what type of temperature. I'm in Southern California, and so for me, I know that whenever it hits 85 to 90 Fahrenheit and it's constant, this is when I'm going to start seeing some sunburns. And if for a reason or another, also if your plant is facing south and even like flat like this and the sun goes directly on it, you're guaranteed sunburn. So what you do, it's yellow, do you do something or you don't? So one of the things is, if ever it's yellow and it's just a little bit and it's not sustained temperature or sun, I leave it. If ever I have a yellow branch, I'm like, and I start pushing on it and it's mushy, oof, you definitely want to protect that. And at some point you may even see some lesions, and you've gone too far. But if it's just a little bit, I'm not going to do much about it or nothing at all. So when do I do something about it? So I will cover them if the temperature is sustained, the sun is sustained, what you cover them with. So I have one, I totally say that it's the fancy way. So it's umbrella. So I see people putting umbrellas on top of their trellis. So another thing is 30% mesh. I'm gonna have the description below of the YouTube video. So this is what I'm gonna use, and this is like about, I think it's 6 by 10 feet, and I'll do that for me anyway. I'm gonna do it if the temperature is more 95, 100 Fahrenheit or even more, then I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna have a lot of dragon fruits to cover. If for a reason or another though, it's like right now, so in Southern California, mid-July, it's 85, 90, maybe 95. So I'm going to be basically looking at my dragons, and I'm going to do spot. So I'm going to do spot cover. So I'm going to be taking this. So this is from my vegetable cover, and it's 75%. So that's a lot. I wouldn't cover my whole dragon fruit plant with that. That's a little too much. But I'll be basically cutting pieces and just applying it on the areas that really, really need some coverage. So hopefully you find that information useful. Yeah, useful. And so don't forget to click and share and subscribe so you can get more hints about how to be successful growing dragon fruits.